Good morning everyone, and a brand new brick-built Droideka is being released with a total of 583 pieces. It will be available on May the 1st, 2024 and will retail for $64. The Droideka has an age rating of 18 plus and is targeted for an older audience other than the brick-built R2-D2. The Destroyer droid, which saw action during the invasion of Naboo, will finally make a comeback as a LEGO model. Set number 8002, this Destroyer droid LEGO Technic kit from the year 2000 was the last LEGO Droideka set. However, the 2024 version is substantially more brick-built and uses more common LEGO components. Still, in order to build the droid's compressed ball form, a few LEGO Technic components are needed to achieve this. The LEGO Droideka's ability to roll up and enter ball mode is primary play feature. To achieve this, the droid's body and legs are moved into a considerably more compact and potentially lethal mode. Lastly, though it's not the greatest version we've had so far, it will be getting a minifigure-scale version of the Droideka, which is an exclusive construction despite being a little dull. What are your thoughts on the buildable Droideka? Are you pleased that the Destroyer droid is now available in brick form? Please share your ideas and opinions in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.